In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a script writing system in Notion. To get started, open Notion and create a new page that will serve as your main workspace for writing and organizing scripts. This page will be the home for your content planning, so give it a clear title that makes sense for the type of work you do. The goal here is to create one central place where you can manage everything instead of keeping ideas and drafts scattered across different notes. Once your page is ready, add a database to organize your content. You can use this database for video scripts, podcast scripts, or even general content ideas, depending on what you create. This makes Notion much more useful because instead of just being a blank page, it becomes a system you can sort, filter, and update as your projects move forward. After that, set up the key properties for your database. Add fields for the title of the script, its current status, the platform where it will be published, the deadline, and the publish date. These properties help you track both the creative side and the scheduling side of your workflow. For example, the status lets you quickly see what still needs work, while the deadline and publish date help you stay on schedule and avoid last-minute stress. Next, create a script template inside the database. This template should include sections for the hook, the intro, the main points, and the outro. Having this structure already prepared saves time every time you start a new script, and it also helps keep your content consistent. If you create often, this kind of repeatable format can make the writing process much faster and smoother. Now, start writing your script directly inside that template. Fill in each section one by one so the script develops in a logical order. Beginning with the hook helps you capture attention, while the intro sets expectations, the main points deliver the value, and the outro wraps everything up clearly. As you write, add notes for visuals, B-roll, or talking points wherever needed. This is especially helpful if you are producing video content because your script is not only about what you say, but also about what the audience sees. Keeping those notes in the same place makes production more efficient and reduces confusion later. Finally, move each script through stages such as draft, review, filming, and done. This gives you a simple workflow you can follow from the first idea all the way to the finished piece of content. Over time, this system can help you stay organized, write faster, and keep your entire content process much easier to manage.